Hey, what's up, guys? Hostile Kid 54 showing you my 2013 4th of July Firework Stash. Let's get started with the fountains. Over here I got Underwater Fury by Black Cat, Lava Lamp by FOA Showtime, Crazy Clock by Brothers, a couple Fiery Cloud, Keg Party Pure Fantasy by Brothers, a couple 100-shot Saturn missiles. Probably going to pick up a couple more of those down at Hooks It. Having a 60% off sale right now until the end of April. 16-shot Angel Eye. 24-shot Red, White, and Blue Salute. 2 24-shot Natural Disaster. 6-shot Deuces Wild. 6-shot Hut Zone. 6-shot Bell Ringer. 6-shot Cruisin' for a Bruisin'. 8-shot Twisted Shout, 9-shot Dragonfire, 9-shot Tropic Thunder, 16-shot Funky Fantasy, 6-shot Beggin' for Mercy, 25-shot Wildly Wicked, 16-shot Size Doesn't Matter, 25-shot Magnificent Festival, 25-shot Magic Carpet, 25-shot Hollywood Trip, 15-shot Wild One, 12-shot Stripper, 10-shot Monkey Around, 25-shot Moneymaker, 25-shot Fearless, 6-shot Access Denied, 16-shot Purple Haze, 16-shot Neon Rainbow, 20-shot Diamonds in the Dark, 25-shot Grapes Over Vineyard, 2 25-shot Stadium Pride, 25-shot My Cousin Vinny, 25-shot Wild Mushroom, 12-shot Way to Go, 19-shot Pyro Boy, 19-shot Pure Party, 15-shot Stoned, 28-shot Torn Apart, 25-shot Mega Banger Killer Alligator, 25-shot Crazy Exciting, 25-shot Massive Destruction, 25-shot Hostile Takeover, 19-shot Wild and Crazy, 2 16-shot Emerald City, 2 16-shot Falcon Rising, 2 25-shot Wild West, 2 19-shot Molotov Cocktail, 2 19-shot Solar Explosion, 2 19-shot Arctic Blast, 2 12-shot Walloping Warheads, 2 19-shot Platinum Pyrofusion, 2 19-shot Machine Gun Shell, 3 25-shot Power Play, 3 20-shot Galactic Glitz, 4 12-shot Rain of Fire, 2 7-shot Garden Spring, 2 7-shot Chinese New Year, 2 12-shot Defcon Alert, 2 96-shot Pearl, 15-shot Neath the Red, White, and Blue, 2 8-shot Kaleidoscopes, and that's the end for the 200-gram smalls. Now onto the 500-gram. I got 2 King Midas Touch, 16-shot, 2 30-shot God of Fire. Got a third King Midas 16-shot touch, King Midas Touch 16-shot. 3 Red Flash Reactor 25-shot. 30-shot Tropic Thunder. 25-shot Urban Warrior. 20-shot Hungover, 25-shot Semperfi, 24-shot Tokyo Drift, 2 20-shot Rave Review, 30-shot Mind Games, 35-shot Planet Fireworks, 40-shot Big Easy, 16-shot Independence Day, 12-shot Sharpshooter, 10-shot Smokin Aces, 23-shot Brocade Betty, 25-shot Smokin Hot, 25-shot Military Tank, 30-shot Fighting Rooster, 30-shot Guerrilla Warfare, 10-shot Air Attack, 30-shot Noisy Boys, 37-shot Americana, 33-shot Open Fire, 28-shot Prince of Peace, 36-shot Blonde Joke, 16-shot The Star Chamber, 38-shot Giga Gorgeous, 9-shot Fist Bump, and a 12-shot Attitude Adjustment. Mortars, I got a pack of Festival Balls, Crackling Phantom Cannonball, Whistling Buster, Happy Face, and I got a box of Excals. Hopefully going to pick up another box within the next couple weeks. I got 2 big packs of Roman candles. Got some, here's the number 500 tubes, number 300, and number 5, along with some other small miscellaneous ones from the tube assortment from Phantom. And then here are my smalls, which I plan to get more of too over the next couple weeks. I got a couple Magic Crystals, a couple of the Buzz Killer, pack of the Zips. Gonna get more of these. These are always fun. Got a package of the Utter Chaos. I already opened up one of the packs of the big balls. Those are fun. I got 2 more. I got some Neon Ground Blooms and a pack of the Crazy Bats. That's my start of my 2013 Firework Stash for July 4th. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment. Let me know what you guys think. Alright. Have a happy 4th, and I should have another video uploaded probably in, say, May or June with my final update. Alright, sounds good, guys. Stay safe. Take care.